I'm Rosie and I'm one of the inspirers here at Winchester Science Centre. I do all the presenting with the schools, and Laura came in today with STEMunity to try and see if we could do some of the spark boxes with some of the schools that came in. And normally Key Stage 3 groups are a bit of a tougher crowd, but they loved them. It was really, really good fun. It was really engaging. And for us, it was super easy to follow. As presenters, it's totally different to what we've done before, and with us being engaged in it, I think it made the students a bit more engaged as well, and they were creating some amazing things. The catapults, not only did they make those catapults, but they also changed them and adapted them, and we had some making crossbows and bow and arrows and trying to fling things. And then even with our SEN audiences, they really enjoyed it as well. It was very easily adaptable to SEN audiences, and it meant that we could sort of give them that ability to explore and develop their own ways into STEM by using the arts too. So yeah, it was a really great day for us.